Hey everybody, it's Neil, and what do I need? Of course I need this. It's a count up and count down timer, and a big old clock as well. So there's a big old clock on that side there, you can see that. So it's pretty cool, and it looks like you can set up different colors and things with it, so it can be different stuff. So it does button battery memory time, 24-hour display format, tells you the temperature, calendar, different displays, count up and down timer. You can use it as a desktop or a wall mount. This would be quite a desktop clock. And you can change it to Celsius or Fahrenheit. And I don't know what Celsius is, but we'll see. So let's open it up and check it out. So here we go. So it comes with a plug, because I'm guessing this is gonna have to be plugged in order to light up. So let's just check it all out and see what we got. I used to have a big old clock like this too in my camper, but I sold the camper, sold it with it, I guess. Okay, so everything's out of the box. You see the box is empty here now. So I just took everything out. It looks like it's got mounting holes, so that's kind of cool. It gives you the thing there so you can screw those holes in to mount it to the wall. Comes with the clock and this and a remote control and the plug. I don't have anywhere to plug it in over here. We're gonna have to move over to the kitchen probably to show you it in action. But let's just check it out anyways. Let's open it up, see what we got. So this is the remote, and comes with a couple of batteries in there that are covered in plastic. So we're gonna have to open those up. Boy, if I didn't bite my fingernails off, this would have been easier to open. So we can use this thing. There we go. And it looks like it's just AAA batteries, but and there you can see there it comes with these batteries, but they are wrapped. Funny that they're wrapped individually in there, but okay. So there, put those there, stick it back into here. So now this should be good to go. It's good that it comes with the batteries. And then this is the clock. It's funny that there is a little wire hanging out. Oh, that's the thermostat, I guess. This little wire is probably the thermostat. It's like a thermistor from my 3D printing stuff. It's got all these settings on here, brightness adjustments and stuff. And I don't know, let's go over to the table and figure this out. I'm just gonna take y'all with me. You guys don't even have to cut it because we're not going far. La la la, this is a tour of the house. Okay, so here we are now. So I'll put it over here. It's got a little stand on the back. You can see, I can just put it right there. I have an outlet right next to me here. So I will plug it in. Okay, there's that plugged in. And, where does it go? It would help if I had some light in here. Oh, it's got batteries in here too. Oh, there's the battery, backup battery for the clock. Okay, so battery is just plugged into there. And there, so it kind of wraps down through there, and it can actually wrap it all the way out the side. So there we go. So that's it. So now it's 7:47. 6:48 here. But okay, but you can see it's got colors on it now. It looks like the colors are changing as we go. And so I can do, let's see, timer. Set. Oh, English. Of course I want English. Daylight savings time. I don't know if we're on or off. I think we're off. 2023. July 20. Oh, that's all right. And it's only 6:47. But otherwise it's right. Okay, so there, now our clock is set. And I can change the colors by clicking color switch. So look at all these different color choices I have. I have a timer, I can enter the timer. And timer reset. That's V. Oh, volume. And then brightness, I can change my brightness. So there, I can make it not so bright if I want. Very cool. So let's see, so if I want to have a timer, and I want to do Oop, wrong button. So if I have a 1 hour timer, I can, I guess, enter exit timer. Oh, timer start stop. So now I have a 1 hour timer counting down, so that's good. So that's what I'll do. Like when I do my workouts, I'll time myself for like an hour and I'll do my workout, like riding the bike or whatever it is, and I'll be able to look at the clock on the wall and always know how much time is left. So that's kind of cool. And so there it is with the clock and everything. And it does have this film on it. There, now it looks even better. So very cool. So now I've got my timer. And I guess I could do a count up too, but I would never do that. I would always do a countdown. And I wouldn't normally do such a long time. I would do a timer for maybe 30 minutes or something. But this is what it's set for right now. I just did that. So, but you saw how easy it was to do, so it's very cool. Thumbs up from me. It's the XRES, and I'll be putting this outside and setting it up by the exercise equipment. So thumbs up. Here's the manual. Comes with that too. Very cool. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and pick one of these up. Very cool.